I acknowledge that life isn't always easy. Socializing is not my strong suit. My personality and habits are probably an obstacle in making friends. They bully me, just the Holy Spirit. I have no friends. The Holy Spirit is my BFF. He is my best friend forever. The Holy Spirit is my BFF. He has changed my nature. The Holy Spirit is my BFF. He has given me friends. Oh. My spirit is completely one with God, but my soul and thoughts must be transformed.